Parliament, I came here, Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, our beloved leader Revendra Reddy Garu advised to me, Vishwanathan, you go to Parkal municipality election. The Parkal municipality election in the candidate, Madam Madhavi Shyam Prasad Garu is conduct the election. Dear friends, our beloved leader, Honorable MLA Garu, very experienced MLA Garu. He has spoken well. I am listening, his speech is a wonderful, marvelous. He is a people leader, no doubt at all. Mr. Prakash Reddy Garu. Next, dear Karyakartas, dear all Congress leaders, women leaders, all young leaders, young election is very most important. Honorable MLA saying that Madam Madhavi, she is standing in front of you, requesting for all, you are all support in a hand symbol, right? You are all hand symbol in a Telugu kya bola? చేతు కుర్తికి I am not hearing. చేతు కుర్తికి So the Madam Madhavi, really she is a smiling face, number one. Smiling face, bolo.
So this election is very, very important for us. Why I am telling important? Last 2 years, we were good governance doing Honorable Chief Minister Revendra Reddy Sarkar. This Revendra Reddy Sarkar last 2 years, all the levels, people are so much happy because we are given for wonderful schemes to the people of Telangana. Already we conducted Sarpanch elections. The Sarpanch elections, entire Telangana, 80% we won. The Congress party we won. Same like that, now we are going to the municipal and corporation elections. I will promise to you, my press people, my young friend, I tell you, this election, 90% municipal ward and the corporation, we must win. This is the message for AICC Secretary.